Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Claudia Martinez. I am 43 years old. My course is computer programming.
Are you single or married?
I am single.
Do you have kids?
No kids.
Okay, what is your education?
My education is computer programming.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
My brothers and sister, I have 2 boys and 3 sister girl.
You have a work experience as a housemaid?
Yes, I have experience.
In which country?
In Kuwait.
For how many years?
8 years in Kuwait.
From what year?
And 2017 and 2025.
Only one employer?
Yes.
What are your job duties?
My job duties is I will take a babysitter, baby care.
So how many is the kids there?
And the kids is 7 all.
So what are the ages of the kids?
The age of the kids is I have 5 years, 9 years, 11 years, 14 years, 22 years, and 25 years.
So there is a newborn baby, right?
Yes, I have newborn baby in 2 months.
And what is your other work? Did you clean the house?
I clean the house is cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing clothes, and other to car the wash.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, if there is a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes.
So what will you do if baby is crying?
Baby is crying is I will let the diaper and I will change the clothes. Fed milk and give and make a temperature.
Okay, if the baby is very naughty, do you have a big patient for them?
Yes.
Okay, what is the main reason that you want to work in Hong Kong?
The reason is want to work in Hong Kong. I will help my financial family.
Okay, so if you have homesick, how can you avoid it?
If I have homesick, I will focus my work.
Okay, do you have any allergy?
No.
So do you eat everything?
Yes.
So in Hong Kong, there is some employer there is a pet, either dogs or cats. Are you scared with dogs or cats?
No, scared. I have pet and dog in my house.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
No. Sing other.
Okay, can you sing now?
The wheels and the bus and round and go, run and
Okay,
go.
thank you. Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes.
So if there is a elder person in the employer's house, are you willing to take care?
Yes.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
So lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
My new future employer in Hong Kong has hired me to work or trust me and helpful and hardworking.
Are you willing to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes.
What year do you plan? How long you plan to work in Hong Kong?
I will plan to Hong Kong in 2 years.
If the employer want you to stay long in Hong Kong, are you willing?
I'm willing, yes.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.